Hey guys, Ken here. Welcome back to the channel. The reason why you didn't see an intro coming into this video is because I'm going to be making some changes with my business. And, they involve eBay. You know, it's no secret that eBay has made some major changes to their site. And these changes are upsetting a lot of sellers. I was watching Don the Auction Professor the other day, and he did a video on how they've done an update on the eBay stores. That's changed, and a lot of sellers are unhappy with some of the changes because it hides certain things that used to be in plain sight that make it easier for the buyer. And I'm not going to go into great detail about it, but there's just some things in there that just aren't making sellers very happy. And there's been other changes, of course, with the categories and the item specifics that still haven't been fixed. And I know he did that video that I kind of capitalized on, talking about that technique where you could rejuvenate old listings and do a sell similar and bring in more business. And that worked the first time I did it. I made about 3 sales right away. But then over the last couple of days, I've repeated that process, didn't change anything, and it didn't work. It just didn't do anything. I didn't make any sales. So I don't know how effective that is, at least for me. Might be great if, really effective for you, but for me, it's just not, it's not bringing in the sales. And I don't know what's going to happen with eBay. Another part of the video that Don touched on was the fact that eBay seems to be now leaning towards higher end sellers, sellers that are selling $10,000 watches and $5,000 pairs of sneakers and $3,000 t-shirts and, all the high end stuff, the big money stuff. And it's made a lot of sellers feel like we've been thrown under the bus. I'm not going to be leaving eBay because I've been with them since 2002. I'm just not going to be treating it the same way as I did before. I'm going to be restructuring a lot of my postcards and looking at my entire inventory, and I'm going to try to focus on cards that have greater value, and the ones that have lesser value, I'm just going to lot together and put it up on an auction and start it at 99 cents and just sell it off, to whoever wants to buy it. But that's what I'm going to be focusing on going forward is, just better quality cards that I can sell for a little bit more money. Another change, the reason I did this video was the fact that because I've made this change, I'm going to be selling on another site. That means I have to change my intro. I know it's a fun intro. Most people like it, but it focuses primarily on eBay. And since I'm not going to be focused primarily on eBay anymore, that's got to change because I want to keep things accurate with my business and I want to keep people informed. So I'm going to have to change that video, the intro bump that comes in before, I do a regular video on eBay. And I'm also going to have to probably change the video at the very start when you come to my channel. There's a video that pops up and introduces me. It's a very short thing, but that focuses on eBay and Redbubble. So, I needed to update some things. So that's why I wanted to do this short video, just to let you know what's going on in my world and keep you informed. Hope you're having a great Q4 in spite of everything. Hope you're making a lot of money. But I just wanted to let you know what was going on so you would, wouldn't be left in the dark. Okay, listen, I gotta go. But you guys have a great day. And from now on going forward, you probably won't see the intro bump anymore because, like I said, I got to change it. I got to create a new one. Probably maybe something shorter, something just a little more punchy and short. That way you don't spend 30 seconds or 20 seconds, listening to an intro. But yeah, just going to be changing a few things and, for the better. I look forward to change. I'm not afraid of it. And when you want to grow a business, sometimes you have to implement changes to do what you got to do. Okay, so just wanted to let you guys know. And thanks again for all my subscribers, my new subscribers. The channel's growing. I appreciate it. And I got to go for now, but you guys have a great day. And we'll see you on the next video. Take care. And bye for now.